What's going on? What's going on? Let's do this whole video. All right. So, if you want to learn how to sell on Whatnot, and I'm about to show you what we're doing, you want to join the Kingdom program. The link is below. There will not be a webinar today, and I'm about to explain why. This is the stuff. We sold one of these watches yesterday for 850 bucks. Let me give you a breakdown. This is a $300 piece. This is a $600 piece. See, one of the reasons we could sell this stuff, there's a lot of people that believe Whatnot is just for bullshit or cheap stuff. This is what we're selling. This is thick, right? And let's see, where is the real? I got some. Oh, okay. This is what else we're selling. Big heavy bracelets. This is $300 piece. This is, let's see, how many grams is this? Okay. All right. It's two. Wait a minute. Is that correct? Don't know if that's. All right. Let's try it again. It's 54 grams. And silver is $3 per gram. So that bad boy is 54 times 3. So that's 162. We got 160. We can live with that. So this is what we're selling. And this is what's going on. Got that bad boy right there. That one right there. That one right there. That one right there. These are very ladylike. So here's the thing. If you put really good stuff up on Whatnot, you can get good money. I'm down there shopping, and I spend decent money to get decent gear. So because I got to manage this, let me explain to you what happened. The bad employee, I had to give 2 refunds last night because of the bad employee. One of the things that happened is she made a lot of mistakes. And one of the mistakes, and this is huge, I got an email chain where she's saying I couldn't sell this type of stuff, right? We sold this yesterday for 850 bucks. I sent her a screenshot. I was like, see, if you had listened to me versus wanting to fight with me and tell me I was wrong, you would still have a fucking job. But because you dumb, you stupid, yeah, I get angry at this. Because, see, I'm sick and tired of niggas challenging my viewpoints and my worldview based upon the nigga theology. You motherfuckers don't know shit. And y'all claim to be so big and bad. And this is why most of you are broke, have multiple children by different baby fathers. Yeah, I said that shit. Don't have shit going on, no money in the bank, but for some reason, being a nigger is the best fucking thing in the world, right? Let me say something. I'm going to have a nigger-free zone in my work life. There will not be any more niggas coming up in here because chaos, destruction, all kinds of stuff going on, right? So one of the things that's happening is I have to manage this. And my second assistant, um, let's see, this one. All right. I got so much stuff going on here. She's doing really well with whatnot, so I need her on there. But this is supposed to be the personal assistant, but because I need her here, we're behind. Now, one of the reasons we're behind, I'm trying to hire people. I'm paying 25 fucking dollars an hour, and these people don't listen. They will not make a video. They will not do what they're told to do. And I'm beginning to think, I see all this stuff online, like, I was looking for a job, nobody would hire me. Maybe you can't get hired because you don't follow instructions. The instructions are really simple. So I got 3 employees. I've got a new employee. She starts this weekend. And I'm trying to find someone for the day shift because my second shift person is doing day shift and she wants to do night shift. And I'm just sitting there trying to manage all this. So I cannot do the webinars right now because I have to be here. I got to go downtown. I got to do all this other stuff. So I cannot do webinars. So I can do webinars Sunday. I've left Sunday free and open so I can do webinars and stuff. So Sunday at 3:30 we'll be doing the webinars, but we can't do it today. I'm probably going to have to hire 2 more people before I can get to webinars on Wednesday. And, I thought I would be able to do it, but, management is a different resource. So this is one of the things that I'm doing. So that's why there's no webinar now. And I'm making the video so everyone can see it because typically email people, I check all my emails every morning, but everybody's not like me. So that's what's going on. And if you want to learn how to sell expensive ass stuff on whatnot, join the Kingdom program. Like I said, let me say this once again. January 31st, well, the 1st of February, prices go up to $9,000. They're not coming down again. And I'm going to have a whole bunch of people emailing me talking about, hey, man, can I get that deal? Can I get that deal? And the answer is going to be no. You want to know why? Because this business in February is going to do $40,000, $50,000 in profit per month. And then I have a whole different plan for the online course business. I'm going to run ads and stuff, and I'm going to get a different customer base, folks with money, folks who want to spend money, folks who want to learn. So go ahead. Keep waiting. Keep waiting. Keep waiting and watching.